Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 44 and this is the most exciting game for any age group. Either you are a kid, you're a school going kid or a college student, or you already completed your engineering graduation, you are a working profession, or you are of my age, or you are a professor, you are a scientist, you are a doctor, you are a mechanical engineer, anyone in this world. Show me one person who does not like Avengers. Show me a person who does not like Spider-Man. So this is the game, guys. This is a Python game using about approximately 1300 lines of code. It's a pretty complex stuff, but I will be very happy to train you guys one on one on the Zoom call. I will handhold you step by step and I can coach you, guide you to build this game from the scratch and add multiple other Avenger characters. You can add Iron Man to it, you can add Black Widow to it, you can add Thanos, you can add Doctor Strange, multiple other characters. But in this game I just included Spider-Man, and it really worked well, though it sorry, though it is pretty complex. But for those who are really keen in understanding Python program to the depth, especially on the gaming aspects, nothing is impossible, guys. You can build it, you can easily build it. All it requires is logic, sequence, and the functionalities. That's all, and the right set of libraries. So in this game, of course, there are graphics involved, there is a pygame library involved, and the tkinter app is involved. A couple of other things, I included the sound library and all those stuff. It's all about simple logic, guys. You can build it, but I am there for you to coach you one on one. And look at the lines of codes. I'm just running you through pretty fast. It's about 1282 approximately. You can say 1100 lines actually if I reduce the spaces. Anyways, enough of talking and enough of waiting. Now this is the time to look at the actual demo of the Avengers Spider-Man. Let's take a look at it, guys. I'm going to run this program. Let me run this pretty quick. There you go, our beautiful Spider-Man. Press S to play. I'm going to press S and I'm going to throw some tantrums as soon as he comes close by. I'm going to hit him. This is one of the villains. There are multiple villains being involved in this particular game. I included about 7 different villains. So for example, if I close this, there's going to be another one. Because I won this game already, the villain came very close to the Spider-Man, I was able to hit. Now I'm going to start with another villain. This is another guy. I think you saw this villain in Spider-Man 2. Let him come close by. Come on, buddy, come on. And there you go. Alright, I won. Let me start with another villain. He's a new guy. He's there in Spider-Man 3 actually. There you go. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna squash you. Now let me start with another villain. Alright, this is a new guy. You win. Totally okay. Alright, guys. So that's it for this particular demo. So it's pretty interesting, guys, I know. So I am also including Iron Man to this. Iron Man, everybody's favorite, Iron Man of Avengers. I'm going to include part of this game and I'm going to show you how to build that. Do reach me out. I will schedule a one-on-one with you on the Zoom call. I will walk you through this code, all 1300 lines of code. You will build along with me line by line on your system, either on Jetson Nano or Windows operating system or any of the Linux machine. Alright, guys, see you. Goodbye.